HP 15 Intel Core i5 13th Gen. Unity Systems Solutions. Core i5 13th Gen 512GB NVMe 8GB RAM. The display is 39.6 cm, 15.6, diagonal, FHD, 1920x1080, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, 45% NTSC, and laptop has an HP True Vision 720p HD camera with temporal noise reduction and integrated dual-array digital microphones. External I/O ports. One USB Type-C 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, supports data transfer only and does not support charging or external monitors. Two USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate. One AC smart pin. One HDMI 1.4b. One headphone, microphone combo. The keyboard is a full-size, soft grey keyboard with a numeric keypad. This is the specification of the HP Laptop 15 FD00205TU. It runs on Windows 11 Home Single Language Operating System, powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor with Intel Core i5 1335U, and comes with 8GB DDR4 to 3200 MHz RAM and 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD internal storage. The battery is a 3-cell, 41 Wh Li-ion polymer and can last up to 7 hours and 45 minutes. The laptop also comes with McAfee Online Protection 30-day trial. The product has a moonlight blue cover, natural silver base, and keyboard frame, weighing 1.59 kg. It also has dual speakers and HP ImagePad and Precision Touchpad support. The laptop supports Realtek Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card, supporting gigabit data rate, 7, 8, 9, 10, modern standby, connected. It has a mic mute key, a camera privacy shutter, and a trusted platform module, firmware TPM, support for security management.